morning, students. I hope you all are doing well at your places. And today we'll be studying about has, have and had. देखिए हम has को कहाँ यूज करते हैं, जहाँ पे हम we are basically using has for singular naming words, right? And had को कहाँ यूज करेंगे, जो past में होगा, और have को कहाँ यूज करेंगे, जो कि plural naming word होगा, जैसे I, we और they के साथ हमेशा क्या आएगा, have, और he, she, it के साथ क्या आएगा, has. So let's just begin with this. आप लोगों को ये बहुत अच्छे से समझ आएगा and you will definitely like it. And apart from that, please revise your previous concepts because they are highly beneficial for you to understand all the current topics. So let's just begin. So the title of our chapter is use of has, have and had, right? Work in pairs and tick the correct given in the brackets. देखिए I has or have a football. I के साथ क्या आता है, have, right? He have or has a nice pen. He has a nice pen. She has had a new car last year. देखिए पुरानी बात हो गई पास्ट की, तो she had. she के साथ क्या आएगा, had. You just read and understand. The elephant has a long trunk. एलिफेंट के पास बहुत बड़ी सी सूंड है और एक ही एलिफेंट है. Birds have wings. Birds के पास क्या है, wings हैं, बहुत सारे wings हैं. The king had a palace. King के पास एक टाइम पे palace हुआ करता था. There is a fact file that has is used with he, she, it with singular noun. I already told you this. Have is used with we, you, they and plural noun के साथ हम have use करते हैं और I के साथ भी. Has और have के हमको क्या दिखाते हैं, present time दिखाते हैं, और had हमें past time दिखाता है. Means has और have आज के लिए और had past के लिए है. Had is used with all the types of noun and pronouns. सारे pronouns और nouns के साथ use किया जाता है. Has, have और had क्या show करते हैं, possession, right? Now you have to study some other sentences. I have a beautiful rose. मेरे पास एक बहुत beautiful rose है. He has a gramophone. उसके पास एक gramophone है. We had many balls last week. हम लोग के पास बहुत सारी balls थी last week, तो had आ गया. You have a toy train. आपके पास क्या है, toy train है. She has a new frock. उसके पास एक नई फ्रॉक है. And the king had a large army. और king के पास एक बड़ी सी army. A quick short recap. Has, have, had, they show possessions, or you can say belongingness, means किसी चीज के लिए belong होना, right? Has और have हमारा present time दिखाते हैं. Had क्या show करता है, past time. Moving on to the exercise. First we'll be completing the correct options, right? So has is used with what? Has is used with he, right? Have is used for you, right? Had कैसे use होगा? Had basically सबके साथ he, she, it, they, had इन सबके साथ use हो सकता है, right? And has and have, they show the present time. Now we have to fill in the blanks with has and have. Children dash a bat. Children बहुत सारे हैं, they have a bat, right? They have many balls. उनके पास बहुत सारे हैं. I के साथ भी have आएगा. He has a lotus. She के साथ has आएगा. She has a very beautiful doll, right? So I hope you all understood about has and have and had. And please make sure that you are revising the previous concepts and do all the exercises that are given below, and keep smiling and study hard. Thank you.